DocumentCloud is a project that's designed to improve transparency, basically. And I'm not talking about government transparency or corporate transparency, I'm talking about journalistic transparency. So the whole idea is to provide a set of tools and technologies that allow journalists to be more open about the sources they're using in their reporting. In this particular case, it's documents, which of course we know are the lifeblood of investigative reporting and journalism generally. So what DocumentCloud does is it provides a set of analytical tools. So if you're a journalist, you've got a batch of documents, either in electronic form or paper documents that you can scan. You can upload those to DocumentCloud, and if they're searchable, we'll extract the text, we'll put that in a database, and we'll allow you to search that with very fine-grained tools. If it's not searchable, as many government documents are not, just scanned images, we will OCR your document so that it becomes searchable. And then on top of all of that, we apply a layer of metadata. So we use a service called OpenCloud, which is an entity extraction and markup, semantic markup engine. So we take the unstructured text of your document, we'll push it through OpenCloud. Calais will discover key things about it: people, organizations, places, dates, phone numbers, the kinds of things that journalists are always looking for, and make those searchable in key ways. So for example, you're not just doing a sort of a brute force text search. You can actually say, I want to find a specific person, and Calais will know that this is a person's name and not just a string of text. But the really impressive thing about Calais is it'll uniquely identify a person within a document and also across documents. So essentially you're taking a document, you're making it something much closer to structured data. So you can query it almost like a database. Once you're done doing your analysis, your filtering, you've kind of like found your key things, we allow you to share those documents with your colleagues, with other reporters, whether they're in your news organization or outside of it. We just launched a feature that allows you to crowdsource a document, to send it securely to a defined group of individuals so they can kind of look at it and mark it up. Once you've got that once you've got the documents filtered down, you've found what you want, we allow you to annotate your document. So it's a very simple tool that you can sort of drag across a piece of a key paragraph or a key sentence, and then type in a few sentences of background, of context, to try to explain, to highlight not only what's significant in the document, but explain a little bit about why. And then we provide a simple publishing tool. So basically it's like an embed code, very similar to embedding a YouTube video. You just grab a little JavaScript, you drop it onto a blank page on your website, and boom, the document is there. So it's kind of an end-to-end system that allows journalists to take the documents that they are using for their reporting, interweave them into their reporting, link directly into a document, into a page of a document, or even into an annotation of a document. And in doing so, be more transparent, saying to the reader, not only am I telling you what I believe based on my reporting, but I'm going to point you to the exact sentence in the exact document that tells you why I believe what I believe.